Okay guys, I'm gonna show you what we got done today. This is my second load for this truck. This is a brand new truck. We're just showing the load that we put on here from the shop today. The guys worked hard. We got a lot done. So I'm just showing the trash that we loaded up. Some chairs, some old lawns. Of course, old gallons of chemicals, trash bucket. Or vacuum cleaner. Just decided to get rid of some of this stuff. Alright. And we ain't got Godzilla in here. So he's in for the weekend. Godzilla got serviced. The engine got serviced, oil changed, and all the routine maintenance. And then the Hydromaster is purring like a kitten. It's running so quiet that it all serviced today at Greater Southern Truck Mounts. It's a 1,000 hour service, even though I got 997. It was 1,000 hours. Next one's 1,400. And so we always leave the doors and stuff open so the truck can air out. As you can see, the air can pass through the walls in the truck. Alright. And typically I would leave the wand doors open as well, so if there's any moisture can evaporate. We don't have any today, but we still leave it open. This is Brian and Tyrese. Brian and Tyrese. Y'all say hello to the camera. I want to show y'all their work. They got all the agents today on the shelves and organized. We kind of got a little disorganized, but we got it organized. And I'm gonna get one of them to hold the camera so I can show y'all what they did specifically. Okay. I'm gonna turn these fans off. It's kind of loud. These are just the shop fans we use for moving the air or drying rugs or drying upholstery. So, Brian, you do the honors when I hold it. Just follow me over here, so. I'm gonna go real quick. I'm not gonna go through everything we got. I just want to show. This is our upholstery shelf here. Let's do a quick run of it. Brian said right, shampoos, which is a cotton, neutral shampoo, fine fabric shampoo, Haitian cotton shampoo, a reducing shampoo basically, Oxycontin shampoo, Oxycontin, Oxybuff, basically it's a it is an oxidizing shampoo. Fab Set, this is acid, fine fabric for carpet and rugs. Okay, basically a little above neutral, but these are acids for corrections that I use. Not for, I don't run it through for a machine, but just for corrections. Upholstery free sprays here, this row here. And these are self-neutralizing. It's not a pre-spray, but it's a concentrate, but it's self-neutralizing. You can use it as a pre-spray. Just dry cleaning, it's a dry fabric cleaner, so this is just a solvent cleaning. And we got the another shampoo, but this is for rugs, and deodorizing shampoo for rugs. Okay, that's Chemax. Down here is hard surface. All right, starting here, this is our bleach cleaner. Also, these are strippers. This is Wrap Master, which is a strong tile cleaner, alkaline cleaner. This is a strong alkaline cleaner for wood floors. And this is acid. Okay. This is an acid cleaner for tile. This is a degreaser, Dragon Juice, and back here some more degreasers. This is a alkaline that's stone safe. It's called High Tech. It's an alkaline tile and grout cleaner. Wood floor cleaner, basically a neutral cleaner. This is a polyurethane, and another polyurethane here that's from Basic Coatings, and these are waxes. And these are accessories for the hard surface. We have flat mops, spray bottles, scrubbers, whatever. Down here, more hard surface, the pads. bonnets. These are spotting kits there. Down here is for the end caps. This is an end cap, Release It end cap brand. This is Bonnet Pro end cap. This is a CapuClean from Bridgepoint. This is Bone Dry. I use this end cap mainly for upholstery. And then this is our Blackout here. That's for filtration. And that jug has the extra in there. Citric acid for correction for certain particular stains. And these are other acids here, basically brown out for coffee. Move here, wax buckets, mop buckets, a D-Hue carpet stretcher, and these are cushions that are clean that we're storing. They'll probably be delivered in a few weeks to a customer. This is our dyeing station here. All out got liquid dyes, powder dyes, bleach neutralizer. This is our top secret pre-spray booster. Okay, this is our top secret. Can't let you know what that is. The other dye kit we have on the truck here that goes. This dye kit stays on the truck. That's for specially correctional carpets. And then this is the carpet cleaning shelf. So here we start. This is the wool. All right, this is for wool. This is wool acid rinse, a wool pre-spray, and a wool extraction. Okay, that's from Bridgepoint. These are deodorizers. This is for antimicrobial, Decon 30. It's excellent. These are deodorizers here. Deodorizer. This is Odicide. This is a pairing agent that we use. And these are the protections. Super Seal, Ultra Seal impregnated by Dynachem, Maxim for wool by Bridgepoint, and here's Maxim Advance. Okay, your water-based protection. These are the solvent-based protections. And we come down, these are all our pet treatments. We got Unleash. UPS is a great acid pre-spray for bad urine carpet. OSR, Serum. You see how much we use Serum. Serum has 3 rows. This is a Spray and Walk Away by Soap Daddy. This is a Kill Odor, which is a good pre-spray for killing odors. It's not going to eliminate any urine, but just for odors. And this is our rinse. We got 2 rows of rinse, so you know we use a lot. This is One Clean traffic lane cleaner, safe for wool. I use that a lot. Okay, and these are the high pH liquids here, Gorilla Flex, and there's some different ones in the back behind here. They're all high pH liquids. And this is our green section. We got Pro Safe from TMF, Carpet Detail, and what else we got? This is one from Soap Daddy, and we also got Procyon as a green cleaner. That's that row. Then we come down here. More pre-sprays. These are high pH pre-sprays by 008. It has a solvent in it. This is Sacred Sauce Code Red. Oxidizers, cleans very good. Central Heat, very dependable. All these clean very well. Clean Master, these are Grease Breaker, these are high pH. The Gorilla Erase HD, high pH as well. Got a solvent in it. This is Extreme. I've used this for over 15 years. pH of 9 to 10 when it's ready. Safe for new generation carpets. Always consistent. That used to be my only pre-spray for either bad or not so bad carpets. But anyways, it's a powder, and I got a Primetime enzyme behind that. And these are our boosters, our solvent booster, and this is our peroxide booster, Boost All. We got some O2 powder back there. Stain Solver is a booster. We got Oxy Plus, okay. And this is our solvents I use to spot oils out of carpet. This is when I'm gonna go to this 90% of the time. Dissolve All, because it's you can rinse it good with water. This is detergents. That's a liquid detergent by Clean Master. This is a truck mount powder detergent by DSC, and this is Flex Ice. I used to use that. Down here's a stripper. This is an oxidizer, very strong oxidizer. This is absorbent compound, and these are this is liquid detergent. I don't know what's in there. I think this might be a dye prep, the same as striking agent. These are for dyes. And these are a powder defoamer and a liquid defoamer. And those jugs back there are empty. And then back here, some of our specialty, like these are reducers here, a strong reducers, which is red one is a strong reducer. Stain one is a peroxide spotter. And then we got the spray and walkaways. This is an accelerator, basically ammonia. You put ammonia and peroxide, it makes it stronger. It's volume 40. This is our 3%. These are some of the CSS neutralizer to neutralize anything I put into the carpet. And just accessories, leather cleaning products. These are just extra bags, knee pads and stuff, just all accessories and gloves. And so, just to show you what they did today. They did a wonderful job. We got this is left. We're gonna straighten this out. These are sprayers, steamers, buffers. You see those are furniture covers, those are wet dry bags, extra shoes. We use this to wrap anything that's too large to put in a bag. More steamers. What else? Up there we got blowers up there. We're gonna reorganize those, but those kind of everywhere. We got some blowers over there. And then again, this is accessories here. The ladder, the ramp, the dry pods, but they're gonna organize all of this on the next go around. But this was enough work. This took all day to do this. And so where Tyrese is sitting, this is our working station a lot of times to correct stuff like this cushion. This ottoman. It's showing that stain. See that stain there? This is a stain that we're gonna correct here. And they also clean these cushions. They're already dry and packed up and ready for delivery. And those are some rugs down there that we told the client that wouldn't clean, but they end up cleaning well. So the client don't know it, so they belong to me now. And that's it. That's all I'm gonna cover today. Great job, guys. You guys did a wonderful job.